This is Ronel Fries, and let's begin to unleash the journey and begin to blast off for many possibilities. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe, like, and share. Live in the greater horizon. Take a look beyond. Step up for a new greater way. This is Living Beyond. This is life beginning to blast off. And this is the horizon. Are you ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Just never met.
I wish we never met. We broke up on pickup chat, crying on my DS. I went to a birthday party for one of your friends. Now that this is over, I can hate them. I don't have to pretend.
I don't know what you heard about me.
I ain't tricking, I'm just dicking bitches down, head down. Pop that pussy to the ground. She a freak, hoe, I put her on the team.
That don't mean a thing, no.
Baby, hop in my ride. Ooh, it's hot as hell outside. Put the top down with your doors closed. My hand up on your thigh. Drive slow. Take it.
Thank you for watching. I'll say again. And this is my journey.